Now what I'm going to explain how OSPF work. OSPF is a open short path first. That's what's that stand for? And you need few things when you configuring basic OSPF configuration. First one is you need a process ID. Process ID, it's like you define or enable your OSPF domain. It doesn't have to be same. The reason is we are connected to the same area. The area should be area 0. If you're using different area for the basic configuration, this is not going to work. The other thing you need is wildcard mask. Like I explained, like I said before, I'm going to show you how to get the wildcard mask. This is really easy. If you know your subnetting, this is a piece of cake, you know. Let's say 192.168.101.0 network. As you can see, our slash notation or subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. If you want the wildcard mask, it's basically inverse of your subnet mask. If you write this down, this is the easy way to understand. If you write 255.255.255.255 minus your actual subnet mask, which is 255.255.255.0, the answer is 0, because 255 minus 255 is 0. 0, again 255 minus 255, and 255 minus 255 will give us 0. Then 255 minus 0 will give us 255. This is called wildcard mask. It's really easy, really easy. For the serial interface, we used 192 subnet mask. So 0.0.0, you know how to work that out. 255 minus 192 will give us 63. That's your wildcard mask for the these interfaces, which are router interconnected interfaces. Right, if you know these things, all you need to do is go to R1, okay, and when I said type do show IP route connected. That's all we need. Oh, just do show IP route. That's it. Do show IP route. These are the actual numbers, link local numbers. If you look at these local numbers, which related to this interface, right? But we only enter in directly connected interface. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to enable OSPF routing in here. So command is router OSPF, then a process ID. The process ID could be anything between 1 to 65,535. I'm gonna use, you don't have to match process ID like EIGRP. For the OSPF you can use any process ID, but I'm gonna use 100 in this case. Now you're gonna define what networks are directly connected. These are the directly connected networks, so type network and that, right? You can type it, or if you have super putty you can copy and paste it, or it works with putty as well. Then if you don't know what to do now, type question mark. It says wildcard bits. So wildcard for this 24 networks are 0.0.0.255. Then question mark again, said area, then type area, and it says which area. At the moment, for the time being, we have used area 0, nothing else, just the area 0. You can see it will go up to 4 billion maybe, yeah. So area 0. The first network is entered, then the second one is 202 100.252.0. wildcard bits is 63, area is 0, and that's it. You just enable OSPF routing in R1. Now if you go to R2, you do the same thing again. Do show IP route connected. This do show IP route connected normally working in actual environment. For some reason it doesn't work in POTI. Anyway, so you know the directly connected network, we have two directly connected network with R2. So again, route OSPF 100. Don't have to match it, but I'm going to use 100 anyway. Network, or you can use net. So this network, copy, and wildcard 255, area is 0, and the next one net, and we have 64 network, wildcard is 63, area is 0. Okay, and that's done. So we done R1 and R2. We still don't receive any routing updates because we just finished R1 and R2. There's no connection between these two routers. When we connect R3, you can instantly see the routing table exchange between these two routers. Now if I go to R3, go one step back in global configuration, type do show IP route. I should have 3 networks. Then go to route OSPF, let's say 100. Oh, you don't have to use 100 network, so I'm gonna put this network first. Okay, now wildcard is 255, area is 0. Second one, network, that 63. Oh, if I miss anything, 63, area 0. Use upper key to get the last command you entered. You can see I have received an update from fast Ethernet 00, which is our, which one is that? Because they both fast, which is our router 1. Okay, good. So, and we're going to change this to 64, and same wildcard bits, same area, and press enter. Within 2 seconds you will see an update from R2. Actually R2 should send an update. If not, there you go, that's it. Now if I go to privilege mode and type show IP route, voila, I got OSPF, right? I got update from OSPF. Good. Show IP route, OSPF, and R2, show IP route. I got OSPF and OSPF. Since we connected all our PCs and routers correctly, we should be able to ping each other now. Let's go to PC1 and try to ping PC2. Ping is a 192.168.102.1. Might fail first few pings. If it's, there you go, it's connected. So I can send a packet from PC1 to PC2 via FA00 this connection, and F20 this connection to there, and coming back from there. So the second one would I want to check is 3.1, which is our PC in here, this PC. So you should receive a ping connection or ping packet is successful, right? So if I go to PC3 and ping